guys, welcome back. I am Tired Mama. Some of you guys know me as Teacher Sam, but I am back today with more interesting stuff for my channel. Today we're opening up my Christmas present to myself. So this has been by far the most work I've done in a year and the most money I've made in a year. So I wanted to do something for myself. Not to get me wrong, I still have gifts and stuff with my family, but this is for me. A lot of you may not know this, but when I first started working from home, I did like embroidery and vinyl work, and my Cricut finally died. Probably 6 or 7 years ago. And so we're unboxing a new one. I ordered this about 10 days ago, and I ordered the Cricut Maker. Oh, it's got some good stuff in it. So, right off the bat, we've got a pack of paper. This is like corrugated paper. That's kind of cool. I have some fabric because the Maker is supposed to be able to cut fabric as well. And I have some glitter vinyl. Let's see. This is iron-on. So I got 2 silvers and 2 golds. Okay. This, let's see what this is. Jeez Louise. Can't get in the envelope. I think this is going to be like manuals, maybe? This is not manuals. This is vinyl and transfer tape. So I got like a bundle deal. Let me move this box to the side. I'm going to tell you guys, this Cricut is heavy. When I pick this up, the box is going to kind of fall down to the ground. Here we go. Now, I ordered the Maker in a mint green because that's one of my favorite colors. Let me grab some scissors here. Because the Cricut, if you've seen the Maker, it does come in a couple of different colors. This is the one that I wanted. It's mint green. It should be. And I'm so excited about doing this. I used to make t-shirts, even just like stuff for me and Mary, me and my daughter. We would see a cute saying on a shirt and boom, we had it. And I already have a heat press. So, ooh, this thing is so heavy. Bum ba da da. Do a little thumbnail. Alright, so I'm going to open this up and show you guys what came with. I'm telling y'all, they package this thing up like you're not ever supposed to get into it. It's funny because I didn't tell my husband what I was doing, just that I had bought myself a nice gift. And tonight we were in Hobby Lobby, feeding my Santa Claus addiction, and he's like, I think I'm going to buy a Cricut. And I was like, because there's like one little bitty, teeny tiny little piece of paper that he wants cut. Alright, materials for your first project. Nice. So you got this. Open Me First. A welcome booklet. So this is all the paperwork. I'm going to set this to the side. And it says, to begin, go to Cricut.com/setup. Okay. Now I can see the green from here. I'm super, super excited. Boom. We have here a 12 by 12 mat. And another 12 by 12 mat. These are both sticky mats. And, this, ladies and gentlemen, let me let the camera down just a little fuzz, is what I am so excited for. She's so pretty. So, this is what she looks like. Oh, look at that green color. I am so excited about this. And of course the power supply. Here's a little trick. You can't plug these in with the wrong power supply. So, I'm going to get this set up, and in the next few days you'll see some projects from me. If you're interested in more craft type projects, why don't you leave me a message? Leave me a comment below. Maybe I'll do something with that. I used to be really good at it. Like, for about 2 years, I supported us doing that. So, if you're interested, leave me a message below. If not, hey, maybe you're here for other content, and that's cool too. Until next time, guys, bye!